This small wetland is an Audubon sanctuary in southeastern New York at 6.5 Station in Orange County. Over the summer, waterfowl could be observed here. Maybe a dozen, or even on good days, 2 dozen different individuals with the mute swans, the Canada geese, the wood ducks, and the mallards. But in autumn, we have been observing hundreds of individuals, as many as 450, with green-winged teals being the most abundant group, sometimes over 250 of these observed at a time. These are the smallest dabbling ducks in North America, and if they are not feeding near one of the trails where bird watchers might access, it might be easy to miss them if they are off in the distance unless you possess good binoculars or a spotting scope. It is certainly expected to see groups during migration, but these are large groups, unexpectedly large, and there may be a number of reasons why this year they are especially prolific. Our summer and autumn have experienced severe drought, and many water bodies have simply dried up. Our sanctuary may be one of the few wetlands in our area which can still support them. Also, not all ducks equally prefer all types of aquatic habitats. Green-winged teals specifically like shallower water and mud flats. And so while the drought may have disadvantaged some species of waterfowl, such as the diving ducks, which prefer deeper water, it actually might have created the type of habitat that green-winged teals specifically prefer, and thus they may remain here a while along their migration. Last year, they actually spent the early part of the winter at this sanctuary. Note that while a month ago in October one could not see males with breeding plumage, by November this breeding plumage has molted in, and you can observe the cinnamon-colored heads with the green eye stripe that makes the males readily identifiable. Also, a quick note to birders. While females may be more drab in their coloration and males prior to getting this breeding plumage look like the females, one can use their very small size to identify them. When they are with other ducks that you might know, like mallards, one can clearly observe the size difference and pick out that, these are not, say, female mallards, this is another species.